Real quick here because my fridge is kind of dirty, but we use this actually for more than just cans, which we do, but even my kids' yogurts and little pouches and other yogurts and fruit snacks and things like that, or fruit cups will go in there. And every now and then when we have something that doesn't fit too well, there's almost always some empty space in the back because something's been used up, and we'll just stack stuff back there because there's actually plenty of room. So it does free up quite a bit of space in the fridge, and this whole area was super cluttered and messy, so this helped a lot. Highly recommend. Took about 5 minutes to put together.
So there are two railings, as they're called, and you just take one of these little divider things and you just snap it on, and then you snap on the other side, and then you take one of these, they're called rows, and you just slide it on to the little rail, and you just keep repeating that. So it's a pretty easy installation.
I'll do a quick video on this. It's very easy to put together, and it's so nice putting the water bottles inside. Keeps everything looking nice and neat. This is great.
We got these. Oh.